Hello traders, welcome to WealthInvest24.com, your comprehensive platform for managing investments and trading with ease and expertise. As the financial landscape evolves, so does the need for intuitive, reliable, and effective tools to navigate it. At WealthInvest24, we set your money in motion by offering a blend of automated investment solutions and personalized expert advice. Our goal is to empower both novice and experienced investors to make informed decisions, grow their portfolios, and achieve their financial objectives. When you choose WealthInvest24, you're not just opening an account, you're opening doors to a world of opportunities. Our platform enables you to trade Forex, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies seamlessly. Whether you're interested in the fast-paced world of Forex, the stability of blue-chip stocks, the diversity of commodities, or the innovation of cryptocurrencies, we provide the tools and support you need to thrive. One of the standout features of WealthInvest24 is the ability to automate your investments. Automation allows you to set your investment strategies and let our advanced systems do the rest. This approach not only saves you time, but also ensures that your investments are managed efficiently, even when you're not actively monitoring the markets. Our automation tools are complemented by real human experts who are always ready to provide personalized advice and support, ensuring that your investment strategies align with your financial goals. Opening a live account with us is straightforward and user-friendly. From the moment you sign up, our platform guides you through the process of funding your account, verifying your identity, and starting your trading journey. We accept a variety of payment methods for adding funds, making it convenient for you to start trading. Our robust identity verification process ensures that your account and transactions remain secure, giving you peace of mind as you navigate the financial markets. At WealthInvest24, we understand that trading costs can significantly impact your profitability. That's why we offer low trading costs with competitive spreads, allowing you to trade more for less. Additionally, our extended trading hours provide you with more time to capitalize on market opportunities, enhancing your trading experience and potential returns. Navigating the world of investments can be daunting, especially with the inherent risks involved in trading leveraged products like cryptocurrencies. At WealthInvest24, we prioritize transparency and education. Our platform provides comprehensive risk disclosures and educational resources to help you understand the risks and make informed decisions. We strongly encourage you to consider your personal circumstances, financial situation, and needs before engaging in trading activities. If needed, seek independent advice to ensure that your investment choices are suitable for you. Our platform is designed to be versatile and user-friendly, catering to both new and seasoned investors. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to diversify an established portfolio, WealthInvest24 offers the tools, support, and flexibility you need. Our advanced trading platforms are equipped with the latest technology, providing you with real-time data, analytics, and insights to make informed decisions. WealthInvest24 is not just a trading platform. It's a community of like-minded investors who are committed to achieving financial success. By joining us, you become part of a dynamic network that values innovation, integrity, and excellence. We continuously strive to enhance our platform and services, ensuring that we remain at the forefront of the investment industry. Open a live account today and set your money in motion with WealthInvest24. Together, we can achieve your financial goals and build a prosperous future. Thanks for watching.